Alright everyone, welcome back. Today we have a very special unboxing and I thought I'd do it in the backyard live outside. Kind of missed the sun, it's going down, so let's see if I can squeeze this in. Alright. A little bit of a spoiler. There's another one, and I was in the garden all day today, so sorry if my hands are a bit dirty. But yeah, these are working man's hands, so they're clean. They're just kind of, dirty. I washed them before, but this is not going to come off right now, and that's okay. Kind of fitting for what I'm about to open anyway. Let's close this guy. So we got all the usual. Nice book and instructions for on how to open it. Let's see what this is here. Nice G case. I've seen these before but never unboxed one, so this is kind of cool. Yeah, very exciting. Looks like a little cloth pouch. And there she is. So had to get this, just had to. And really wanted that recrystallized case back. Adds a nice bit of heft. Really wanted that black and gold gilt kind of colored scheme with the red line. Also my first Gshock with the brick pattern, which is a nod to the OG, to the original. And very classic. Very happy. I know it's not solar, it's not Bluetooth, it doesn't have all those features, but it's not supposed to. This is supposed to be a kickback to the original, and yes, those features are nice, but it's not a huge deal. I had to talk myself into that because I wanted it to be Bluetooth and solar and all that kind of stuff, but that's okay because that's what this one is for. Right next to it. And this is the one that's going to take a beating, and this one that's this can also take a beating, but this one's probably going to be for when I'm just out and about enjoying, and I don't need to roughhouse a watch. Like today when I was in the garden, I was wearing this one. Still looks immaculate. It did take a beating today, and just wiped it down, washed it out, and it's good to go. But yeah, really different feeling here with the case back. Really nice. Module 3421. That kind of gold, instead of having like the carbon fiber kind of case back, it's got that kind of gilt look to it. But I really like that case back. And that symbol there is really special. 40th anniversary. Really nice. Wrist check. Got the brand new Zelos Malachite. I don't have the bracelet size just yet, as I just got this in as well. But I got this on the wrist. Miyota 9075. And this thing is a beauty. Very nice, natural kind of stone, gemstone, the malachite green, and it's just a beautiful dial. Every single dial that was made is different. So yeah, just a quick unboxing of the 40th anniversary G. I really like the packaging, that's kind of cool. And I'm sure you guys will see more of it on my Instagram, Time Flies By 2020. Make sure you stop by, take a look. And we'll see you in the next vid. Take care.